guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I brush my teeth and whiten my teeth with braces on. So first I just take off my rubber bands because they've been in all freaking night. And I'm just going to brush my teeth with Colgate with the Clean Mint toothpaste. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to brush my teeth. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going in with my tongue scraper. Make sure you scrape your tongue well. Like, I mean, really, really well. You will gag, but that is normal. That means you're doing something. So just scrape your tongue, and that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so I'm brushing my teeth once again because I want to make sure that my teeth are really, really clean. So what you want to do is make sure you brush on top of your bracket and under your bracket so you can get all that plaque off. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, your teeth are clean. Just kidding. What you want to do is get your floss. I got this floss from Safeway. Girl, OMG, this floss is something serious. I love this floss. So right now I'm just going to floss my teeth. Okay, so now I'm going in with this TheraBreath right here. This right here cures bad breath, so I really recommend you getting this mouthwash. So I'm just gonna use this mouthwash. Okay, so now I am about to put my rubber bands in. I do not have any more rubber bands, and my appointment is next Tuesday, thank God. But now I have to reuse my rubber bands. Ew. But yeah, I'm just gonna put my rubber bands in. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to comment down below what you guys want me to do for my next video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
No, is this a prank or something? Seriously though. I don't know. What's wrong?